Alright guys, what is going on? I thought today I'd talk to you a bit about an update about my product, about my second product. Now I am excited to announce that it is finally ordered. That is the big thing, it's finally ordered. So I've found a product, I've checked out the numbers check out. I had to make sure that the numbers checked out, especially after Christmas, because you have to be careful if you're using Jungle Scout. It just takes a little bit to update, so a lot of people look at products and they look really good, but their numbers are really, they're just inflated from Christmas. But I had a look, the numbers updated and they're still really good coming into the middle of January, so I'm excited. Got the product, got my price from the supplier, paid the shipment, and now all I have to do, just got to send off my logo and my barcode to them, and it should be in production. The production should take about 3 to 5 days, and then it's going to take about another 15 to 20 to get into Amazon, and then I'll start selling. But I've already started optimizing my listing, and just getting it ready for when it launches. I'm going to have a big launch. I'm going to go all out on this one, and hopefully, just get it up here. Hopefully, I should have my 5K profit per month. We should be aiming pretty well into the 5K month, 5K profit per month on this product. So hopefully it'll be a good one, and hopefully it's if the numbers all check out, I should be well on my way to having that passive income coming in from Amazon. Now, if you guys haven't watched my last Drives with Jack video, I just explained a bit about my first product. And if you guys don't know, I've basically sold out with the first product. That was the one that I made 3K profit on. I've got probably just under 20 units left. Now that product there I'm not going to be doing again. It was good for a first test product and it did work out well over the Christmas period, but I'm going to leave that one because I know I have way bigger opportunities with this next product. But that's not the only reason for this video. I didn't just want to update you guys on how my second product was going, because I'll be doing a lot more of that once it launches. But I also wanted to talk to you guys a bit about your Amazon, and if you guys have got it started, or if you're thinking about starting, just let me know if you've already started, how you're going with it. I know I've got a couple of friends that are doing Amazon FBA and they're just getting started. Don't think they've ordered their first products yet, but I'm more than happy to help them, and I'm more than happy to help you guys. But if you haven't started Amazon and you're watching these videos because you're trying to look for a way to start, honestly, just do what I've been saying in these last videos. If you are absolutely lost and not sure where to go, I definitely urge you to check out the other videos that I've got on this channel and buy the Amazon courses that I link. I've done 2 so far. Now, the one that I'm going to be linking from now on, I don't get any commission off. I just personally use it myself, and it's personally, like, I get the most information and the best information from this course, and it's by a guy called Dan Bass, or Dan Bass. I always get his name, I always pronounce it wrong. Sorry about that, but it's definitely the best course out there for building that passive income on Amazon. It has helped me 10 times more or 100 times more than any other course on Amazon has. Now, if you have any questions for me, I'm going to link my Instagram in the description down below. So get in contact with me there, or if not, just comment on this video. Ask me any questions you have. Now, I obviously can't tell you what product I've been selling or what product I'm going to sell for obvious reasons, but I will do my best to help you guys find your own first product. Like I said, I can't explain it as well as what Dan does in his course, so go and check out that course. I'll leave the link down in the description for that as well. But like I said, just get straight into it, and honestly, if you're thinking of doing it, don't just think and don't just ponder about it. Just honestly get out there and do it. It is the best way to get started, to start making money. But that's about it, guys, for today. Just wanted to give you guys a bit of an update and just hopefully give you some words of encouragement if you're looking to get started. There should be another Drives with Jack video coming out soon as well. I like to film them, if not every day, every second day. But thank you for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in the next one.